These are unprecedented times. The United States, while experiencing significant challenges, is still one of, if not the best place on the planet, for way too many reasons to list. And I'm not trying to diminish other countries or other leaders or build a platform for nationalism. But I think this is an absolute fact. Somehow this beautiful location has brought together American industry leaders that are forming and informing the nation's most innovative global enterprises, impactful institutions, and personal endeavoring. I mean, that's what makes this place different. In this, we have slowed our minds as leaders in order to garner a fuller understanding of wealth, power, and influence, to realize that while powerful and influential, we're not separate from our creations, and we're not separate from we the peoples. And I'm calling upon those leaders to leverage their knowledge and expertise while balancing it with governance and rugged individualism at the right time for the right reasons, to help our nation and individuals overcome the most pressing challenges. I see it coming together from the top down and the bottom up. Top down in terms of governance and strategy, and bottoms up as the day in the life of all of us as humans, contemplating, doing, broadly and deeply, no fear, just authentic reality and a desire to gain clarity, so that we may lead and innovate in the direction of the greatest good.
But real solutions to real problems will not happen unless we contemplate reality in a more structured manner. Through Project Big Sky, I'm proposing a twofold outcome. One of creative innovation, the other is advanced education. From a creative innovation perspective, I'm talking about leaders igniting creative innovation via high-performing cross-disciplinary collaboration that seeds leaders with new solutions and new opportunities to revolutionize underserved market potentials that are screaming for advanced solutions in the direction of the inherent good. Lots of upside in this for everyone. Advanced education. From that perspective, viewers as students learn new-to-market, advanced educational content that's infused by our nation's passionate and experienced knowledge holders, those of you as leaders. This knowledge seams a new layer between the top-down and bottom-up structures while broadening perspectives that act to reduce polarization and discord stemming from our rapidly advancing technological state over the past 30 years. We need to leverage our collective wisdom in these unprecedented times. Let's, as leaders, unite at the confluence of science and technology, philosophy and governance, religion and spiritual natures, and enterprising human endeavoring, with a commitment to explore how to make and deliver better. Let's move beyond pettiness and labels, political polarization and discord, economic hardship and emotional despair. Let's harness our perception and perspective and rational pragmatism to ideate and contemplate advancement, inclusive of man and nature, urban and rural, governance with rights, privacy, and security, and creative freedoms in the material and cyber worlds, under democracy and capitalism.
At the end of the day, we possess choice and free will under capitalism and democracy. Let's choose to create where others thought not possible. Let's redefine the normal. Let's make and deliver better. Let's talk. I'm asking you to support this endeavor in dialogue and to check out Demosophy. Thanks for your time.